Once you enter software programming, after you don learn variables, function, data type, data structure, algorithm, you don dey write code, you don dey write function. One important thing wey you go know across all programming language na wetin dem dey call authentication. Wetin be authentication? Now, any software wey you write, no matter how, you go need people wey you go need to access am. No be everybody go fit access am. People go need to access am whether using email and password, username and password, or maybe clicking on special link wey go take them to a private page. No matter the software, sometimes e fit be say na people go register themselves, sometimes na you go register them, na you go give them username and password. Sometimes e fit be software for even your company or even for yourself, maybe some set of people wey go fit get access to the website. That procedure, that step say na just few people go fit come the site, type username and password, then enter inside, login successful. That process they dey call am authentication. Authentication, that is, you come with your credentials, they go check am whether you dey valid, then they go allow you enter the system, enter the website, enter the software. This whole step na dey call authentication. And across all framework, I don explain framework and library for one of my previous video. All programming languages get their framework and libraries wey you fit use build a web app, a website, or even a mobile app. And inside this mobile app or website or even desktop, any software at all, e dey get libraries, inbuilt libraries most times within the framework of that programming language, or a library in that programming language wey you fit use to manage the authentication of your website. As every language, every programming languages get their different ways of authentication. There are different framework and libraries wey go handle your authentication for you. Now you by yourself now go begin write the logic, the algorithm to handle if user send username and password, check database, do this. Most times na libraries dey there for you already wey you go use to handle all these things.